everybody, this is Jeffrey from the Ballroom of Reno, Reno's nonprofit Ballroom Latin and Swing Dance Studio for partner dancing. Now, today we are in our starting a new dance called East Coast Swing. It's an American rhythm dance, and what we're going to start is get right into it. Now, there's three different timings for East Coast Swing. There's single time, double time, and triple time. Now, we're going to do triple time because that's the most common. Now, we're not going to go into any technique. I'm just going to give you the basic step and the rhythm so you can start to understand this dance. And when you come in for your lessons, you can work on the techniques. So real simple, we're going to start off with a side step. So leaders, start with your left foot as always, and we're going to step side, together, side. Then we're going to go back the other way, side, together, side. Then we do a rock step, which goes back, forward. Now I'm going to do this sideways so you can see see it and hear the timing with this. So the timing on this is 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. You can also do quicks and slows, but don't typically. But just remember, 2 quicks equals the length of 1 slow. But I'll use the quicks and slows this time, and I'll go quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, slow. I like to say delay for those steps on the slow beats. So we're going to do the followers. So leaders, I'll go this way for you. I'm sorry. So we're going to go 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. All right. Now followers is exactly the opposite. Just remember, don't worry about technique. Just go side together, side. So right foot's free, and you're going to go side together, side. Side, together, side, rock, step. All right, so yours with timing is 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. Now this pattern does turn a lot, and we'll do that in the next video. Just as a little demo, as a leader, it goes 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, or 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. So it does turn once you learn the basics and feel comfortable. All right, so we will see you at the ballroom. Come in for your introductory special, which is 2 private lessons. Right now it's only $39. And we have a lot of free group classes. So everybody, please have a wonderful day. And as always, be a good human.